cement, metallurgy, and highways, railways, national defense, construction, and housing constructions. The operating weight of this machine is 21.3 tons, and it is hydraulic controlled. Okay, look at this. This is the bucket. The bucket capacity is 0.95 meters, and the bucket can change another attachments of excavators like grippers, and breakers. And the maximum digging depth is 6.69 meters. Okay, now we are standing on the excavators. I will show you the engine. This excavator engine is ISUZU engine, and the power is 110 kilowatts per 2,100 RPM. It has 6 cylinders and 4-stroke water cooled. Okay, now I'm on the cab. The cab is wide and open fill, so the driver can easily to operate. It is also have adjustable seat and air conditioner systems, heating and cooling systems. The monitoring systems is highly integrated, which offer real-time monitoring of machine performance. That's all for today. If you are interested in any details, please feel free to contact me. Goodbye!